Hey y'all, today is day 10. We are in the double digits, and if you're following along with me and doing the same numbers that I have, we've gotten rid of a lot of items already. And I hope you're feeling much better, much lighter, getting ready for spring. You're gonna already have the house clean before it even gets here. That is great and amazing, right? So anyway, I'm going to start the poll. For those who do not know who I am, hi, my name is Alishay. And I am doing a 31-day challenge to declutter and get ready for spring. So what I did was I took the numbers 1 through 31, wrote them down, well, typed them out, cut them up, put them in this little bag, and each day I shake this bag up, I pull a number, and whatever number I pull is the number of items I get rid of in my house for that day, okay? So here we go. I'm gonna shake the bag up, give it a little shake, and I'm gonna pull a number. Let's see, today, I got some stuff I'm ready to do, but if I need to spend some time gathering things, I don't mind a big number today. But I'm ready to go hang out. So if it's a small number, that's great too. Let's see what we got. Oh, y'all, all right. Number 1. Let me go find one item. I should be right back. This shouldn't take long. Okay, I'm back with my item. It's so big, like I can barely get it in the shot. But it's like a fake tree, like I don't know. I did not buy this. We listen and we don't judge. I did not buy this. This was kind of given to me. I had a friend who kind of left it at my house and was like, hold on to this. And then suddenly it was mine and now they don't want it. So back. So I'm going to donate it. Someone I'm sure would love to have this as a prop or whatever. It's huge. I had to like move some stuff around to get it in the shot, but here it is. It is my one item and it's going with me. I'm gonna wrestle this thing out to the car. All right, see y'all tomorrow for day 11 of the challenge. Now if you haven't started, you can start today with one item. I pulled a 1. This is my one item. You can do it too. And you can follow me throughout the rest of the challenge. All right, until tomorrow, see you later.